Yo, what's up world? Cheers guys, today's vlog I'm starting to having a radler lemon on Legian Beach. Beautiful vibe, quite empty. And probably you will ask me why I'm starting today's vlog having radler, and the answer is very simple. Because I can! Cheers guys! Okay, but no more jokes, little bit more serious. This is the Warung Erika in Legian, my favorite place to having a radler on the beach. It's beautiful weather, and today's vlog is all about Legian. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a little bit of Padma, and the most important what I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do the request, and I'm gonna show you the most famous street for shopping stroll for Australian people, which is the Garlic Lane. So stay tuned. Alright, that was the Warung Erika. A very nice place for having a bintang, and here at the front is Padma Hotel. I left my Jimny today. I'm gonna hit now into Padma Corner, which is over there at the front. Here we go. Here is the main gate to Padma Beach. Singer guy here. You will see. Hello, how are you? Yo, what's up? Hello, yo, what's up? How you doing? This one, everybody got
English, Indonesia.
whatever you like English.
Thank you very much, I love your food. Holy the Bali, the door is don't be played. Thank you very much, Bob. Love you, say my life. Thank you very much, pleading for me, babe. Hello, why the sign? Thank you, better blue, but one. Take it to see. Look, but mine. Take it. Bye. Thank you. Very good, yeah?
Thank you so much. Take care. Alright, that was really great crack with the... Why so bright again? That was really great crack with the cigar guy. If you're watching me already for longer while, you recognize this guy. Always cool. And meanwhile, this is the Padma, and here we go. This is the corner where is the Padma Hotel, entrance to the Padma. Somebody have a Camry here. Alright, so that's how it looks. Padma Legian, for everyone who are missing Padma Hotel, this is for you, the entrance at least. If you want more, you can see my previous videos. Fat Ball here, also the restaurant, and this one, the Warung Makan or Makan something, also pretty nice. This is the menu, Balinese pork something. Yo, what's up? Hello. Tourists friendly also. That's actually nice. And you see this big sign of the mini mart. This is already the Garlic Lane, and today I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna start my proper stroll right now. Poser Pub. Also many people ask me about this bar. Unfortunately it's closed. Nothing I can do with that. Asian Spice. Very slowly I'm gonna show you how it looks. Vibe over here right now, just next at the corner of Poser Pub. Not really much has changed. However, it's a little bit more busier. I mean, some people driving around, I could say. That's the biggest difference to compare to the last time when I make vlogs around here. Here will be some beauty and spa, revive, whatever, something like that. Looks like a pretty nice investigation. And here we go. Here's supposed to be a hotel and Warung. Seems like it's closed. And now is the Jalan Sahadeva, just next to the mini mart, what is closed obviously. And this is the famous Garlic Lane. So for everyone who are familiar, this is for you guys, enjoy, and also the request. And for everyone who are new and don't familiar with the Garlic Lane or this street, this is one of the most famous streets with the shopping stroll, where is so many stalls, warungs with the accessories, fake things, cheap things, and many other things for buy. but unfortunately in the normal conditions, because right now almost everything is closed here. I think 99% is closed. I think only one warung is open on the street. So enjoy, and yeah, what I can say is very peaceful here. I will change the camera and I will show you at the front how it looks like, if this car not gonna hit me driving so fast. So basically I'm now at the front of the Losari Hotel, Kuta Bali. This is actually Legian, I think. And well, what I can say, it's closed and it's very peaceful, quiet here. Don't wanna say it's ghost town or ghost street or ghost alley, but the feeling how you're walking here and showing you around, it's little bit, I don't know how to describe. I don't really know what I can say and what commentatory I can do for you guys. Normally when you walk on the streets like this is like a popish lane, and basically it will be nice if I just gonna walk and don't say single word, but I know many of you missing my commentatory. The local, this was the very famous warung. This one, the local 8361, so busy always, but unfortunately it's closed. Same like any other tattoo shops and everything around here. Movie shop, rental, CDs, DVDs. Well, now DVDs anyway, they are going out of business, but anyway, that was also quite very famous place. I'm trying to work very slow today to show you really how it looks, the vibe and atmosphere. Pulu bar and grill. So the only one warung, something what is open is this one, Angkrin Kan ULL. This is some kind of street food here. The guy is praying, so I think his Balinese on. Unfortunately, after that, it's really not so. The only difference what is right now to compare to the video what I make actually like about few months ago, also here, similar way, walking, as it has some cars parked around, obviously few, but still. At that time when I walked last time was completely zero, not even cars, not even people driving around, passing around. Now, at least once every minute somebody will pass, so that's the difference. If that's the optimistic news, that's the difference. Beach market is as quiet right now as you can hear my breath. Balinese leather, piercing, tattoo, Emma Spa, Billy's Bar and Restaurant, also quite famous face, Billy's 69 for every Aussie fellas. Unfortunately it's closed. Here's a little bit, I think I can show you around. Check this out. It's closed already for super extremely long time, but that's how it look like. Downtown boutique. Here is the small gang inside. Pretty sad view, isn't it? I do this vlog mostly because of few requests. Ours bar over here also, quite famous place. Unfortunately, at the time when everything was open here, I didn't make a vlogs yet, but I used to stroll here also. I wasn't just a YouTuber at that time, and was definitely super extremely busy over here, but not today. Somebody have a nice Harley or motorbike, whatever. I think this is the driver. You see the Bintang Garlic Lane restaurant. This is the famous place. Why the restaurant, why the street is called Garlic Lane? Just because of this specific restaurant, which is the Garlic Lane restaurant. The name of the street is different, but this restaurant was the one of the first restaurants here on this street, and that's why it's become the Garlic Lane street. So much story around, but it's so quiet. And okay, somebody opened some warungs here with the clothes. We see this lady waving to the lady. Unfortunately, so quiet. Hello. So sad. What I can say, it's really Really sad. It's supposed to be the street food, however, only one warung is open. And this is the almost end of the garlic lane. This is actually quite short street, short lane. In each corner is the mini mart, and the mini mart where I show you first is closed. This one is actually open right now because this street, if you're gonna go there, is the Pullman and beach, Kuta Beach, obviously, beach walk. The Carla Spa, and Carla Spa remains open now. That's also different to the last time. And next is the US Spa. I'm not sure actually if US Spa is open. However, that's how it looks like. I will slowly show you around. So that was the famous garlic lane, super famous place long time ago. Unfortunately, not right now. I don't know why so traffic right now over here, but that's how it looks like. Even the guy driving on the footpath. Yo, what's up? Nice, very nice. I don't know what he said, but very nice. And now it's empty. Also, I'm gonna show you, this is the Jalan Sahadeva. And this is the camera looking at me. So many cameras and so many cables. That's the street cameras, obviously. So this is the garlic lane. And if I'm already here, I will show you a little bit. I will go there. There is the junction where you meet the Legian Street. If you're gonna go right, will be the Legian Street. When you're gonna go left, will be still Legian Street, but you're going into Seminyak direction. And here is also the very nice lane. It's called Jalan Lebak Bene. I make a vlog there if you are interested some time ago. If you're familiar with the area, everywhere actually around it was so many warungs and strolls and stalls in general, but this one are here just totally abandoned. They are not even closed, they are totally abandoned over here. And this is actually pretty sad. Just at the front of the Magani Hotel and Spa. Check this out. The Magani, I think, is also closed. Yeah, it is closed. Also here another stalls place, like a bazaar, but this one is brand new with the beautiful building. Even the sink, this is brand new thing, because the sink obviously at the entrance is the modern regulation. However, they make it really nice, like a nice shopping stroll, but it's totally closed. They have a security and closed parking. This is new, waiting for better times. And here just behind is the old shopping stalls. Only one open or two, probably just to make a air circulation, or waiting for the better times, for a little bit of luck. Legian Loft Hotel. Legian Loft. Hello guys. Jog Sports Bar. I think this is actually bankruptcy because the building is for sale, not even for rent, for sale. So if you are familiar, unfortunately, that's how it look like. This is the famous corner where is the Mercure, Legian, Grand Mas, Bella Italia, Legian Street. I will show you quickly how it looks the live. Over here, oops, the lamp, lucky as I didn't hit. Quite busy on the junction, I could say. People driving somewhere, nobody know where. People last time asked me, where of these people driving? Where they are parked the motors and where they are people? Basically, this is the biggest mystery of Bali. I don't know. They are just driving somewhere. But when you go to the beach or go to the mall or go somewhere, there are no people. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation. And this is the Mercure Bali Legian, if you are interested. I think it's open. And so many loud bikes. Nothing has changed about that. Alright, lovely people from around the world. I just come back. I hope so you enjoyed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed. Comment below what do you think about the current situation. When do you gonna think you're gonna come to Bali again? And see you tomorrow. As always, stay positive. See ya. Take care.